Hey y'all, it's your girl Najah Roberts coming to you today. We are going to have our first Booking It to Freedom. If you grew up in the time that I grew up in, you know, booking meant running, and we are running to financial freedom. We are running to freedom from all sorts of things, but in Booking It to Freedom, we're going to read Bitcoin, Hard Money You Can't F With by Jason Williams. We're going to start it today. It is our first time reading and Booking to Freedom, and I'm super excited about being free. Be free with our money. We'll be experiencing freedom with our money, freedom with our food, and freedom with everything else we do. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me inside the virtual Underground Railroad as we enjoy this book, Bitcoin, Hard Money You Can't Fuck With by Jason Williams. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.